let's get into what we're here for today, and it's the Hermes unboxing. Wow. Let's try that again. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel if you're returning. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tasha. If you click around and you like it here, make sure you subscribe because you are so welcome here. So let's talk about Hermes today. A little side note, one of my ultimate goals when it comes to Hermes is to be offered a dream bag. Anytime I think about the color, the style, the hardware, everything, it just brings me so much joy. But they've been making people jump through hoops for a Birkin or a Kelly handbag, and that recently landed them in a little bit of a lawsuit. Scandalous. Needless to say, I am playing the game, and their marketing strategy is actually genius if you think about it, to the point where other brands such as Chanel have started to incorporate a bit of a wait list when it comes to some of their more coveted bags, such as the Chanel classic flaps. So Hermes must be doing something right because the big dogs are following suit. Needless to say, I am playing the Hermes game, and yeah, when I get offered my wish list bag, I may not say anything, but there'll be signs. So let's get into what we're here for today, and it's the Hermes unboxing. Wow. Let's try that again. So a little ASMR for you guys. So I picked up two of the Clic H bracelets. By the two different sizes, you guys can probably tell that I picked up one in the wider width and the narrow size. So let's get into the smaller package first. So the Hermes Clic H bracelets are considered fashion jewellery. They have a separate fine jewellery collection on their website and in some stores. However, the fine jewellery price points will have you singing Cry Me a River. Shout out to Justin Timberlake. And such is with fine jewellery, so no surprise there. So if you're looking to dip your foot in the Hermes jewellery side of things, I would recommend starting off with the fashion jewellery because the price points for those are a little bit more affordable than your fine jewellery. And also, one thing to note about the Hermes Clic H bracelets is that the bracelets are made out of enamel and gold plated hardware. Now, enamel is a delicate material composed of glass, quartz, clay, and slate. The gold plating is premium because they wrap this baby up in about 5 layers of gold. And I absolutely love when the sales associates are knowledgeable about the product that they're selling and they just want to give you that knowledge too. Okay, so let's put this baby on. So firstly, look at the color on my skin. Like, you guys, I've got the white one here, but look at the beautiful orange color popping against my skin. I just absolutely love it. So Hermes has their own unique sizing, and they have two different sizes, so the PM or the GM size. Now I'll pop up a size guide right here from the Hermes site so you guys can see and also measure yourself to know which size would fit best. Now all of the bracelets that I'm going to show you, I picked them up in the PM size, which is the extra small to small. And whilst I was in store, I tried on the GM size in the narrow bracelet, and it just seemed to do a lot of moving around, which I didn't like. This sort of, it travels up and down slightly, but it's not necessarily, you know, traveling all the way down my arm, which is what the GM size was doing. So I feel that the PM size, it just sits more perfectly on my wrist. One thing that I love and I'm really excited about with the narrow bracelet is that because I already have the white one, I'm gonna be able to stack them. So let me show you guys what stacking them together will look like. But look at how beautiful these two look together. And one thing the sales associate was recommending is that not to stack more than 3. So I think if I have one more, I can stack 3 of them and I'll be... So doing a little bit of a side-by-side real-time comparison with the brand new one and the white one that I've had for a couple of years, I can definitely see that there is a massive difference in terms of the shade of gold. I picked both of them up in the yellow gold. Over time, this one is sort of starting to have a little bit of wear and tear on the outer corners of the H and also on the back of the bracelet. Like I can see pretty close up that it's starting to turn a little bit bronzy, coppery on the outside. I'm not sure how I could get that fixed, but if I show you a little close up, I'm not sure if the camera is going to do the slight discoloration justice, but now that I've got them side by side, I can definitely see where it's starting to sort of tarnish a little bit. And there are a lot of scratches, especially on the back, because of course that is where your hand usually will rest on a table or on a surface. However, the wear and tear, up until I got a brand new Hermes Clic H bracelet, I wasn't really able to notice it, but definitely putting them side by side, 2.5 years versus literally straight out the box, there's a massive difference. But I'm not mad at it. I love this bracelet. I've literally worn this bracelet so many times with so many different looks. I'm getting my cost per wear out of this, and I sure will get the same cost per wear out of these two. I'm not really sure how to prevent the discoloration. I mean, some of the things that you could do to sort of elongate the life of your bracelet is taking care of it. So usually I will not wear this when I'm doing any washing. I won't submerge it in water, that type of a thing. Also, I always keep it in its dust bag. So now let's get into the next one. I am so excited about this one because I don't have any luxury bracelet that is sort of the chunky size. All the luxury bracelets that I have are really dainty and quite small. I'm in my experimental bag this year, and I'm just wanting to express myself in different ways, and jewelry is one of them. So I love that this piece is bold, but it's also low-key. It's also something that can be worn as a statement piece. Now with all of them, you squeeze, you twist, you open, and then, oh, other side. And then you squeeze again, oh, and then you squeeze again. Wow, doing this with one hand is just like, you squeeze again and then you click. That's it. That is it. Ooh, ooh. I love. Okay, so as you can see, side by side, this one is a little bit wider than these ones right here. And again, I put this up in the PM size, and this is the black version with the yellow gold. I absolutely adore this bracelet. Now, when it comes to stacking, this one is a little bit harder to stack. Put this here, see what it does. Okay, so I mean, you could stack them, but it just depends. The H's don't align. So to me, this would just be like a little bit mismatched. However, what you could do is you could still stack this bracelet, but with another, maybe a daintier bracelet, if you wanted a stack kind of a vibe. In terms of stacking a wide width bracelet with a narrow width, I just don't think it goes, you know. But let me know what you think in the comments, because I just don't think it goes. So in terms of the bracelets, would I recommend? I would say yes, but purchase it after having done your due diligence. These bracelets will tarnish over time. However, I love the aesthetic of them. They are bangles, but they're also luxury bangles. But I love how they look. So yes, I would recommend getting them. And also, they add to your little Hermes portfolio if you're looking to buy a dream or wish list bag in the future. For me, I feel like the black and the white are timeless with majority of things. If you get something in a black color or a white color, it's going to be timeless. So I feel these bracelets are going to be timeless, and you can wear them in so many different ways. Currently, for the wider width of the Hermes Clic H bracelet in the UK, it's currently going for around 660, and for the narrow width, it's currently going for around 590, which was a little surprising to me because the price points are not far off from each other, which is something that I found interesting, because I thought for more material used, surely it would be like hundreds more. For about £70 more, you can get the wider width bracelet. So I think in that sense, they're fairly priced because it's not really much of a difference. It just depends on your preference and which size you want, basically. And they're not charging you like hundreds and hundreds more for a wider width if that's what you wanted. So I hope that this video was useful for anybody who's considering buying the Clic H bracelet. And I just love review videos like this because anytime that I'm wanting to try or buy a luxury item, I want a review. So I hope that this was useful to somebody. I love these bracelets and I'm so excited to wear them, especially the orange one for summer and spring. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give your girl a big thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe. If you watched all the way until the end and you're not currently subscribed, subscribe, girl. But thank you so much for watching all the way until the end. I will speak to you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.